Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a creamy artichoke chicken. This is an awesome dinner recipe. It's loaded with a lot of great flavors, a few bright flavors to really elevate the other stuff. We're going to need a few ingredients. It's not that hard to make, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 chicken breasts pounded to about 1/4 of an inch thin, some salt and pepper, 1 medium onion finely diced, 1 roasted bell pepper, red pepper, diced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, about half a can of artichoke hearts that have been quartered, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. First thing we're going to do is season both sides of our chicken breast with some salt and pepper, and then we're going to head over to the stove. We're going to start by heating up a few tablespoons of olive oil over a medium heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken into our pan. We're going to saute this on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes. Once our chicken is done, we're going to take it out of the pan. We're going to place it on the side. Now, if there's not enough oil in there, you can go ahead and add a little bit more, but we're going to go in with our onions and we're going to saute these up until they become translucent. Then we're going to go in with our garlic and we're going to saute this up for another minute. Next, we're going to go in with our chicken stock and we're going to deglaze our pan. We're going to let this reduce for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to add in our heavy cream and we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we're going to add in our roasted red peppers. We're going to let those heat up for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to go in with our Parmesan cheese. A little bit at a time, we're going to stir this in until it starts to thicken. Then we're going to go in with our artichokes and we're going to give these about 1 minute to heat up. We are almost done. Let's get a taste to see where it's at so far. It's good. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now this is where you need to use your taste. Sometimes the artichokes have a little bit of a lemony flavor, so we don't want to add in the whole tablespoon. So I'm just going to add in just a little bit to brighten it up. We're going to go in with our parsley. We're going to return our chicken back to the pan, and we're going to let this cook. Not cook, I want to say reheat for, another 2 to 3 minutes. This is looking fantastic. Now let's head over to the cutting board and plate this. Alright, let's plate this. Tonight, I'm going to have mine with rice. You can serve it with pasta, potatoes, the sides entirely up to you. I like it with rice. Kind of going with the theme, still a little light. Got the summer vibes to it. Just going to place our side right in the middle. We're just going to place our chicken on top. Make sure we're getting some of that amazing sauce. Drip some of that down over the rice. Make sure we're getting some of those artichokes as well. Oh, it looks and smells amazing. Just drizzle it all around. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of fresh herbs. I'm gonna go with parsley since we have parsley in here. And bam, just like that. I say bam, sorry about that. We're done. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's dig in. I'm excited for this. Oh, the chicken cuts perfectly. It's like cutting through butter. Get a little bit of that sauce, everything on there. Chicken is perfectly cooked. It's nice and moist. So many flavors going on in that sauce, from the peppers, the onions, the artichoke. So a nice light brightness in there from the lemon really elevates the rest of the flavor. And this rice is going to be good too. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.